Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to gain access to this DuraVit toilet cistern where you can't get the cistern lid off. So first of all, double check with the button that it says DuraVit on it, and then this is the video for you. First of all, check around the edge of the cistern for no silicone or any screws that may be hidden around here, and especially down the back, make sure that is nice and clear of silicone. If you have got a clear edge, first of all press the button down, grab the button and spin it anti-clockwise like so, and then continue to spin this anti-clockwise all the way until the button comes completely free like so. Put that to one side and there you go. You can lift your cistern lid off, work inside the cistern to all the components inside, the fill and flush valve, and then this part here moves freely. So what you want to do is line that up with the centre of your cistern lid, place that back on, and then you can then move it to the center, grab your button and make sure you don't cross thread this, and then you can wind that all the way in till it touches the ceramic like so, and it faces the front and it's nice and neat. I hope this video has helped. Please do like, subscribe and check out other plumbing content on the channel. Have a good day.